Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing on the latest addition to our inventory. This is a brand new Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. This boat is loaded. We like to call them Palm Beach edition here, but really look forward to showing you through the boat. Climb aboard. So on board the 360 Outrage, you'll first notice here we've got triple V10 400 Mercury Verados. These are the latest and greatest from Mercury. We're getting incredible performance numbers out of these engines, especially on this boat. Quiet, they shift smooth, new electric steering. If you haven't experienced it before, you're definitely gonna wanna get behind the helm on this boat and run it because it's incredible. And it's the best driving experience out on the water today, in my opinion. You'll see that on this boat, we've got beautiful color matched, custom painted engine accents in steel blue to match the whole side. So definitely a pretty sharp boat. And then in the cockpit here, Whaler really tries to build a versatile boat. It's got a ton of fishing amenities, and we'll go through some of those, but you'll see that just the layout of this right now, it's set up for entertaining. If you're anchored up, hanging out with some people, even cruising around, it's a very comfortable boat. You got the optional starboard fold down seat here that quickly tucks out of the way. You've got your transom seat here that folds out of the way nice and easily. There's a beautiful teak top table that's stored underneath the bilge lid here that can go there as well. So a great spot to hang out, entertain. You've got storage underneath both of these seats here. Easily open up, great spot to throw some lines or something real quick. This here flips out, turns into a, could be whatever you're doing for the day. If you're fishing, it could be a prep station. If you're hanging out doing like a docktail party, you could put some nice snacks and stuff out. Got built-in cup holders. And then kind of what's neat about this seat here is you got built-in steps, ladder, and you've got access up to your hard top. So whether it's just keeping it clean, any type of maintenance for the radar, anything, easy access up there. Also available with an upper station. We don't have that, but if you're looking for it, we can build it for you. So now we're kind of more in either dance floor mode or a great spot to work a fish. You got padded bolsters all the way around, so you don't have to worry about banging up your knees, hips, if you're catching fish. You've got a huge live well here, clear lid, and then you've even got a divider there, so you can two different species in there. You got a ton of rod holders, huge fish boxes. Just a real nicely set up boat. You've got a dive door here, and if you haven't been on one of these Whalers, especially the big models here, and got a hold of this dive door, it's something you really got to feel in person. The hinges are easily 2 or 3 times bigger than the competitors, and this thing feels like a bank vault door. Very solid. You're not going to feel it creaking or anything, when under pressure offshore. Got a dive ladder stored underneath the seat there, and then a nice stainless grab rail to help pull yourself in. Just a very heavy duty hardware. It's a very noticeable thing when you're on the Whalers. Huge subwoofer. This boat has premium audio, speakers everywhere, professionally tuned from JL Audio guys. Up at the helm, beautiful layout. This one we've got upgraded twin 19-inch Simrad NSOs. That's the latest and greatest from them. Right here we've got it set up where you've got your digital switching screen up. You can control all your lighting, switches. I didn't even talk about the sunshade that's out there, but obviously you probably saw that in the video. Just with a press of a button, that'll deploy, keep you shaded in the back there if you're fishing. Didn't mention either the new high gloss teak package. That's an option on these boats. Just looks gorgeous. The back of the seats, your armrest up here at the dash. They've got a few other various accents through the boat, make it look very sharp. Black acrylic dash. This boat, we've got loaded with options. It's got generator, seakeeper, radar, twin 19-inch screens like we talked about. You've got your joystick, Mercury joystick. So any type of docking, maneuvering, and tight spaces, you get total control over the boat. You can walk this boat parallel. You could twist it, spin it on a dime. You got built-in autopilot, auto heading in there as well. Skyhook, incredible feature. And then in addition, we also have a bow thruster. Is it needed on a boat like this if you already have joystick? Not necessarily, but why not? It's very cool, and we did load this boat up with just about everything. So you've got your seakeeper control, VHF radio, got a storage box up here, stainless push button switches, and then you'll notice you got a nice little cubby up here. Everybody's always looking for a spot to throw their wallet, keys, phone, you know, while underway. It's a nice spot to do that. So moving up here, I mean, I could spend hours going through all the cool features on this boat, but you've got trolling seats, real thick stainless hardware on them, but it's just another spot that you could sit, maybe while you're trolling some lines, you know, gives you an extra spot there. This boat does have a cabin, so got a ton of stuff in there right now. All the goodies, some of the goodies you'd get on delivery, but beautiful teak finishes in there. And this is air conditioned. That bed will actually, the back piece here will flip up, give you a much bigger area in there if you're not using it. Walking up to the bow, again with the versatility, got a lot of hardcore fishing options on this boat, but if you're just going out to the sandbar for the day or just going out for a cocktail cruise, you got a lot of comfortable seating on the boat. Flip up backrests that are manual, super easy, beauty and simplicity with some things I like to say. Great speaker setup, but really comfortable. You can have 4 to 5 people fully laying out with their feet up, facing forward while underway. You got storage all around here. You've got another table that's an option that goes right here that we have stored underneath this lid, but you could put this as a filler cushion, turn this area into one big bed. Check out the garage. There's your table, bucket storage, can't get enough of that. All the loungers here, they've got fold down armrests, charging port, cup holders. Just a really well thought out boat. This is one of Whaler's latest and greatest models, and it's definitely one you're gonna wanna see in person. Again, this is Jordan Hanna. I'm with MarineMax Jupiter. We'd love to hear from you.